So what's up, guys? CB Cool here, and welcome back to another Hashtag Shorts video. Today we have one 40-card booster pack of the new baseball Donruss pack here. Let's see what we can get inside. I was able to pick this up from Walmart. Let's see what amazing cards we can get. We got Whit Merrifield, Manny Machado, Trent Grisham, Brandon Belt, Cody Bellinger, Noah Syndergaard, Joe Means, Bo Jackson, Nunez, and we flip it around. We got David Ortiz, Miguel Roja, Ozzie Smith, Jose Barrios, Dale Murphy, Brandon Woodruff, Cal Ripken. That's nice. Glenn June. There is a nice card. There's a few of those red parallels. Those are the ones we were able to pick up. And there's another awesome card right there. Foil. Got a card right there. Here's a few more. Just going to get through them real quick.